So what's the Topical Authority package look like? You get 30 blog posts. You can see here's the quality of them here. And I don't really care what platform your website's on. The content is really what ranks. So let's dive into this and see, show you what ranks. So we'll go incognito, retirement, cost of living, Scottsdale. Obviously, I can't rank first or top 10 for everyone, but out of 30, I normally get 10 to 15 of them, which is pretty good to start. So you can see right there, we got cost of living. We can go pros and cons, DC Ranch. It's a neighborhood there. See, there's a YouTube video, and then you got our link here. We can go pros and cons, buying a second home, Scottsdale. So that's us again. And let's see what else we have. We have cost of retiring in Scottsdale. So this website is primarily for relocation and second home people. You can see we got that one right there as well. Top second home neighborhood, Scottsdale. So we got one again, and you can see that it's suggesting our other areas that we have in the blog post. So I'm going to open that one up and show you what I mean by that. So here we were talking about 3 blog posts, or 3 neighborhoods. So Paradise Valley, Gainey Ranch, and then McCormick. I've actually got a few more, but you can see how they start to populate right here. It's pretty sweet. And then I'll show you one more. Let's see. Go retiree golf, Scottsdale. Because golf is big in Scottsdale, and just when you're retired, golf is big. So you can see we got number 2 for that too. So here's the quality of the article. It is informational, but it's also transactional. It's for people looking to move there, specifically retirees or second home owners. And then our primary call to action is call or text, because the 55 plus crowd prefer call or text versus have to jump through a bunch of hoops. So we make it really easy for them to reach out. But this is what our Topical Authority phase 1 looks like.